Alright guys, check this one out. This is a custom fitted teeth grill set, top and bottom. 8 top teeth, 8 bottom teeth. 925 sterling silver. This has the diamond cuts with the diamond dust finish. You can see that shining real nice in the sunlight. Now, this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. This is a handmade set. It's made from an actual impression of the customer's teeth, so it's a perfect fit. Check that out. You choose how many teeth you want. You could do top, you could do bottom, or a set. That's up to you. But we do offer these on our website, blingcartel.com, handmade for a perfect fit. Check that out, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.